imagine. Just pretend you're by yourselves. Just forget about all your friends that are next to you. Forget about everything, the new life you're going through. It's distracting you right now. Just focus